Yeah, that was a good wipeout. Good job, Ready? Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Ah! Good one. Perfect, perfect. All right, ready? Gonna get up? Come on. There you go, you go. You go, girl.
Wow.
If I'm not mistaken, your quarters are on deck 4.
I heard what happened to Tabor. I was looking for a book to bring to him.
I'm afraid he's in no condition to read.
I was going to read to him. I've heard sometimes it helps to hear a familiar voice.
Oh, come on, beautiful.
You and
Oh,
friends.
good
Do you
job.
have any idea why someone would want to hurt him?
I can't imagine.
Tuck him up.
Come on, come on. We got 18 seconds or till the battery runs out. Come on, lovely. 13 seconds. Oh, did you get distracted? Come on. Come on.
I can't check.
Good girl. Oh my. Oh my.